So, yan yung pagkain namin ngayon, guys. Hapunan, guys. Chicken schnitzels, baby spinach, saka konting kanin. At, ayan, kajuk. Yan yung pagkain niya, guys. Ayan yung kanin daw. Yan na lang daw kainin niya. At saka itong blueberries. So, ayan. And, ito naman yung kay Abraham. Saka, may banana din kami, guys. Ayan, banana. So, ayan na, guys. Kakain na kami, guys. What's your dinner, Baba?
Chicken and rice.
Si Job, ayan.
Chicken schnitzel, Baba.
Four bites. I can go 100.
And yan yung dinner niya, guys. Oh. At saka yan. So, yan lang yung dinner niya. Chicken schnitzel and this one, this fruits, blueberries, and banana. And this one is for me. Kakain din ako mga banana, guys, o kaya blueberries a little bit. So, kain muna kami, guys. Thank you for watching, guys.